Hey guys, we're here at Wat Phra Sampet, which is kind of the ruins of the old royal palace here in Ayutthaya. So yeah, pretty much the whole place has been leveled. There isn't much left, but yeah, it's kind of like late afternoon, early evening. So temperatures are a little cooler, though it's still a little bit warm. So yeah, we're just going to walk around the ruins. So yeah, this is Wat Phra Sampet. I haven't really decided what this channel is going to be about. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like vlogs or walking videos, but I'm just kind of winging it right now. Just kind of like doing whatever. So yeah, like, I don't know, I guess it's kind of like a vlog / walking video. Yeah, like I feel like a lot of the time I'm just rambling, honestly, so yeah, probably isn't great. Oh man. But yeah, we're just staying in Ayutthaya for a few nights. So I think we're going to go to like South Thailand, probably like Krabi and Phuket. So I'm going to hopefully make some vlogs, walking videos down in the south of Thailand. So it should be good. Looks like this building has just collapsed. It's definitely had better days. Just loads of like ruined buildings. So I'm sure this used to be the old royal palace. But yeah, most of it's destroyed. Though I think they restored some of the buildings. But yeah, this like something like this is just totally destroyed, man. So yeah, this was pretty much just a little walk around in Ayutthaya, the ancient capital of Thailand, which dates back from the Ayutthaya kingdom. So I'm sure it was roughly around 300 years ago, in about the 1700s. The Burmese invaded Thailand, and yeah, they just kind of razed it to the ground. So mostly everything was destroyed, but yeah, it is honestly a really cool part of Thailand. I'm sure it's one of the most underrated places I think I've been to in Thailand. But yeah, man, it's like different vibes from like kind of the south of Thailand, like the party islands, Koh Samui, like Phuket. So yeah, we're just staying in Ayutthaya for a few nights. Kind of wish I'd come like earlier in the year, like around January or something, just because it would have been a lot cooler. Yeah, like it's probably a better idea to go to Thailand in the cooler months, or if you're going to come in April, just go like somewhere in the south of Thailand, like just honestly anywhere with a beach or like a swimming pool, because yeah, it's pretty hot here in Ayutthaya. So I'm not sure I'm going to show the hotel, but I'm staying at the Sala Ayutthaya, which is kind of like a luxury boutique hotel, I guess. But yeah, it just has a really small swimming pool. So yeah, like we're just staying here for a few days, me and my girlfriend. So yeah, I just thought we'd come check out some of the ruined temples. Yeah, just like in my opinion, Ayutthaya is one of the most like underrated places in Thailand. It's just really cool to like walk around and explore the old ruins. So I'm pretty sure there's not a lot of tourists come to Ayutthaya, at least not during the kind of like summer months, which is probably a good idea because it is absolutely melting here. Honestly, just getting roasted alive. I'm sure this is one of the craziest temples here in Ayutthaya, just in my opinion. Like the whole place is absolutely massive. There's just like hundreds of pagodas, prangs, I'm not sure what it's called. But yeah, it is pretty cool to just walk around. So yeah, like I strongly recommend if you're coming to Ayutthaya, just don't come in mid-April. Come like December, January, just sometime when it's much cooler. Even during the monsoon season is probably not as bad. But yeah, man, it's just getting absolutely barbecued. But yeah, I think it's just unfortunately one of the things that happens when you're exploring in Thailand. You just kind of have to accept you're going to get soaked, whether by the Songran water fights or just like sweating so much from walking around. So I think when the kingdom of Ayutthaya fell, there was the kingdom of Siam, which was in Thonburi, which is kind of like it's pretty much in Bangkok. And then yeah, it later became the kingdom of Thailand. So yeah, the Burmese invaded Thailand, destroyed Ayutthaya, and then I think they had to retreat back to Burma when the Chinese invaded there. So then instead of rebuilding Ayutthaya, the Thais just moved the capital to Bangkok. So pretty much Ayutthaya was just left as the kind of destroyed ancient capital. And yeah, it's pretty much the same today as it was when the kingdom fell 300 years ago. So yeah, feel free to subscribe for more Thailand walking videos. But yeah, cheers. Can just hear that Thai bird again, like boop 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 boop. Oh man, I'm not sure where he is. Probably hiding somewhere. But yeah, man, I hear him everywhere in Thailand. Even in Bangkok, just right outside my condo, in the morning, just going boop 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 boop. So yeah, like wherever you go in Ayutthaya, there's just like random ruins. Oh man, so yeah, there's another ruined temple. I think it's Wat Praram. Not gonna go in there, but there's just another huge pagoda. Kind of like the signature of Ayutthaya, just like the giant pagodas. Really cool though.